Drivers, watch your cars.
Hey, Scott, how come we can get a good start in the truck but not in the buggy?
Oh, no, just blew it in.
God, I got flat tires. Oh.
Current positions: first, Chris Sturdy; second, Matt Lauries; third, Scott Fraser; fourth, Camo JP. Leading gaps: first to second, 5.586 seconds; second to third, 0.424 seconds. Current positions: first, Chris Sturdy; second, Matt Lauries; third, Camo JP; fourth, James Cox. Drivers, time remaining 4 minutes. Current positions: first, Chris Sturdy; second, Camo JP; third, Matt Lauries; fourth, Scott Fraser. Leading gaps: first to second, 14.075 seconds; second to third, 1.171 seconds.
And that will be equal again.
Current positions: first, Chris Sturdy; second, Matt Lauries; third, Camo JP; fourth, Scott Fraser. Drivers, time remaining 3 minutes. Scott Fraser lapping James Cox.
Ooh.
Oh, got it. Hi, Jason.
Current positions: first, Chris Sturdy; second, Matt Lauries; third, Scott Fraser; fourth, Camo JP. Leading gaps: first to second, 16.363 seconds; second to third, 9.743 seconds. Current positions: first, Chris Sturdy; second, Matt Lauries; third, Camo JP; fourth, Scott Fraser. Drivers, time remaining 2 minutes. Drivers, get ready for the next race: four-wheel drive short course final leg 3, race number 7. Next race transponder color is yellow. Chris Sturdy lapping Camo JP.
Oh, sorry,
Current positions: first, Chris Sturdy; second, Matt Lauries; third, Scott Fraser; fourth, Camo JP. Leading gaps: first to second, 11.324 seconds; second to third, 16.986 seconds. Current positions: first, Chris Sturdy; second, Matt Lauries; third, Camo JP; fourth, Scott Fraser. Drivers, time remaining 1 minute. Finished. Matt Lorries.
I'm good.
Finished. Chris Sturdy.
We must go. Jason! In the corner. Right now. The thing was, I rolled over here, right? And then I just nursed it over that. And then because I nursed it over that, it just doesn't...
Finished. Camo
I
JP.
thought you were going to pull off a backflip then.
Finished.
I just wanted to
Scott
nurse